Hi, I'm going to show you how to stream to YouTube in only a couple of minutes using OBS. So I'm going to assume that you already have OBS downloaded. This is the client that I'm using to record my screen right now, and this is the client that I'm going to show you how to do all of this on. You're going to get this kind of window. We're just going to select this first option. Next. This box should be the display resolution of your monitor. It should be it by default, and this is the frame rate that you want to stream at. This option is okay. Now, this is the streaming service you want to stream to. We're streaming to YouTube, so select YouTube RTMPS. You can connect to your account where it'll prompt you to log in, or you can use your stream key, which you can find on your YouTube live dashboard. It's right here. You would have to copy it and just paste it right into this box. This one. So I'm going to do that, copy and paste. Next. So now it's going to do a bandwidth test. So basically it is running an internet speed test to see if you can actually stream to YouTube in a decent quality. If you have a good internet connection, this should all be fine. If you don't have good internet, you might have to settle for a lower quality stream. So now it's selected your recommended settings, just click apply. This next part is really simple. It's where you can customize your stream and how it looks, and it's the most fun part as well. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to add a display capture and my webcam. So you go here, display capture. Okay, all of this is fine by default. And look, you got it. I would also recommend you lock this so that you can't move it about by accident. Next, plus video capture device. Click OK. It should have it selected by default, if not selected here. It's not showing right now for me because I am using my camera to record this video for you right now. But if I didn't, it would show it right here. I'm going to select OBS virtual camera so you can see at least something. Don't worry about it if you don't know what this is just for demonstration. Essentially, just pretend this is your webcam. Now you can drag it down and move it wherever you like. Here's a fun tip. If you hold down the Alt key and drag here, it'll actually crop your window capture so you can make it more of a box if you like. And then you can put it anywhere you like. You don't have to lock it because if you're streaming, you'll be moving your webcam quite a lot sometimes. Or if you don't plan on moving your webcam, you can just lock it and just keep it the way it is. Now audio. Go into settings, audio. You want to capture your microphone and your computer's audio at the same time. So under desktop audio, just select default. It should be fine. And under mic/auxiliary audio, just choose your microphone or default because it might be it by default. So after you click apply and OK, you'll see that we have our audio mixer right here. This one that says video capture device, that's for our camera. We're not using this, so you can just click here and then hide. Now you only see the important parts. You probably won't have this problem, but if you do, where your microphone only appears in one channel, you can click the three dots here, advanced audio properties, and then click the mono switch where it says mic/auxiliary or mic/aux. And then so that the microphone is at the same audio level as it was before, you can go here and boost it by 6 dB. Not many people actually know about this, so you're actually a special cookie. You're like one of the only few people that know. So now once you click start streaming, it's going to start your stream. You can see it on your live dashboard here. You can interact with your chat here. To see all of your messages, you can click live chat. And honestly, that's all you need. To make your chat interaction more real time, you can click ultra low latency. So now you might get 2 seconds, 3 seconds between when your chat types and when you see their message on stream and they can see it. And that's how you stream on YouTube. I hope this helped. Goodbye. Goodbye.